Good morning children. Today I am going to explain exercise 21. Okay, first problem. The numbers 252, 114 and 744. 744 are divisible by. See the options. First option is 4, second option is 3, third option 6, fourth option 8. See, you have to check these three numbers is divisible by which number. Here 252, 114, 744. See, these are all 252, 114, 744 are even numbers. Even numbers. So these three are divisible by. So these are divisible by 2. These are divisible by 2. Okay. Next, check the sum of digits. 2 plus 5 plus 2, 9. 1 plus 1 plus 4, 6. 7 plus 4 plus 4. It is 11, 15. Here in these three numbers, the sum of digits is 9, 6, 15. So these 9, 6, 15 are the multiples of 3. So these are divisible by 3. These are divisible by 3. These are divisible by 3. Observe here 252, 114, 744 are divisible by both 2 and 3. So these three numbers are divisible by 6. 744 are divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. Okay. C option is correct. See the next problem. They are asking to find HCF. Second problem is the HCF of 18, 36, 45. 18, 36, 45. Already you did in 4th class how to find HCF. Okay. So here they given three numbers. You have to use the method division method. From these three, you have to select the smallest one as a divisor and greatest as a dividend. And do with division. 18 2s are 36 and remainder is how much? 9. Drop this 18. You have to do up to get the remainder is 0. 9 2s are 18. So remainder is 0. Where you are getting 0 as remainder, the divisor you have to take and do the next remaining number is 36. Okay, now I have to divide 36 with 9. 9 4s are 36. Remainder is 0. So HCF is equal to 9. HCF is equal to 9. And next third problem, the sum of 1 by 3 1 by 2 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. Okay, is. Okay. So here they are asking to add the fractions. Those are 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. Observe these are fractions are unlike fractions. These are unlike fractions. Okay. So in the case of unlike fractions, you have to make each denominator as same. And you have to convert these into like. How to convert like? By taking LCM of the denominators. 2, 4, 3. 2 1s, 2 2s, and in 3 you won't go 2. Here 1, 2, 3 are successive numbers. No table will go in at least 2 numbers. You have to stop the process and multiply it. 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. Write down what LCM to get as remainder. Okay, 2 how many times goes into 1? 6 times. 1 into 6, 4 how many times 12? 3 times 1 into 3. 3 how many times goes? 4 times. So 1 into 4. So 6 plus 3 plus 4 by 12. That is equal to 13 by 12. Here this 13 by 12 is an improper fraction. Here numerator is more than the denominator. You convert this into mixed. That is 1 by 12. That is the answer. See the fourth problem. See the fourth problem. Once again I will explain vision. Here they given unlike fractions. Further done in the case of unlike fractions by taking the LCM of the denominators. You get here LCM as 12 and you write that LCM as denominator, and you have to check with each denominator how many times it will go in that 12 6 times, and take that 6 and multiply with the numerator, and 4 is will go in 3 times, 1 into 3. 3 will go in 4 times, that is 1 into 4. So add all those numbers, 6 plus 3 plus 4, it is 13. 13 by 12, it is an improper fraction. Already you know every improper fraction can convert into mixed. Okay. See the fourth problem. 415 into 98. So already you know the general method for multiplication, but here we are using distributive property. So you write that 98 as 100 minus 2. Okay. 415 into 100 minus 415 into 2. So that is 41500 minus this is 830. Subtract these two. 0. 10 minus 3 7. You took borrow, it is 4. You took again borrow from here. It is 14 minus 8 6 0 4. Okay. 0 4. So that implies 415 into 98 is equal to 40670. See the fifth problem. See the fifth problem. One score pencils cost rupees 30. The cost of 8 pencils they are asking. Cost of 8 pencils. Cost of 8 pencils is. Okay then. See, first of all, you have to read this problem. The score pencils cost they given here 30 rupees, and they are asking to find cost of 8 pencils. Already you know one score is 20. That means 20 pencils cost they given here. For one score, 20 units, that is 20 objects, that is 20 pencils. 20 pencils cost is 30 rupees, and they are asking to find 8 pencils cost. So write down cost of one score pencils. In bracket you write is equal to 20. One score pencils is equal to rupees 30. So you have to find cost of one pencil. One pencil is equal to, we have to divide 30 by 20. Don't do cancellations now. Next they are asking to find cost of 8 pencils. Cost of 8 pencils. Okay, that is equal to rupees 30 by 20 into 8. Into 8. You have to do division. 10 3s and 10 2s now. Again 2 4s. How much it is? 12 rupees. 3 4s are 12. So here first you have to find cost of one pencil, and don't do cancellations. If you in next step you have to do the cancellations. A cost of 8 pencils is equal to rupees 30 by 20 into 8. First we have to divide 30 and 20 with 10 table. The 10 has the common factor. 10 3s, 10 2s, and 2 8 are 2 8 4 times it will go. 3 4s are 12. That is the answer. So cost of 8 pens is 12 rupees. And see the sixth problem. The LCM of 24 and 60. 24 and 60 is. Find out LCM. So 24, 60, 2 12s, 2 30s, 2 6, 2 15s. Take 3 table, 3 2s, 3 5s. Here 2 and 5 are prime numbers. No table will go in 2 numbers. So we have to stop the process and multiply this. LCM is equal 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. So 6 2s are 12, 1 2s are 24, 24 5s are 120. See the seventh problem. A cow was bought for rupees 2500 and sold for rupees 2848. Okay, gain or loss? Gain or loss was incurred. Okay now, see, observe here, he bought a cow, cost is 2500 rupees and he sold to rupees 2848. Here the cost price of cow is less than the selling price of the cow. Selling ante ammatavana, bought ante konukochukodu. See here, CP of cow, cost price of cow is rupees 2500. Selling price of cow is rupees 2848. See here, SP is more, selling price is more, so he got gain. Labham vachindi antaru, he got gain. So gain is equal to, how much he get gain? We have to subtract 2848 minus 2500. So that is equal to 348. He got gain 348 rupees. See the eighth problem. The greatest 4-digit number. The greatest 4-digit number divisible by 6. Okay, greatest 4-digit number divisible by 6 they are asking. Okay, now already you know greatest 4-digit number, but here they are asking to find the greatest 4-digit number that divisible by 6. Okay, see, you know the greatest number. Greatest 4-digit number you have to write. Greatest 4-digit number, that is equal to 9999. Okay, but it is not divisible by 6 because it is an odd number, so it is not divisible by even digit. Okay, now, so you have to first do division with this number with 6. Okay, 6 ones are 6, 39, 6 6s are 36. Again drop another 9, 6 6s are 36. Okay, again drop this 9. Okay, 6 6s are 36. See here, you get remainder is 3. You have to subtract this remainder from this number to get the greatest number that divides 6. Okay, that is the number divides 6. Okay, it is divisible by 2 and 3 anamata. So 9906 is the greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number divisible by 6. If suppose they are asking least 4-digit number, you have to select least 4-digit number and you have to divide with 6. What remainder you get, you have to add to the smallest number. If they are asking greatest, you have to subtract. If they are asking least, you have to add that numerator. Okay, in next that type of questions are also occur in this mental maths. Okay. See the next ninth one. 7 1 by 2 minus 3 1 by 4. That is equal. So here first of all you have to observe the proper products. 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. In these two, first one is the greater, you have to do direct subtraction. Okay, now if it is smaller, you have to convert into improper and you have to. So, you are confusion, so I will convert here into improper fraction. 15 by 2 minus 13 by 4. So here LCM is how much? For 2 and 4 LCM is 4 because 2 is a factor of 4. Already you did these models in 4th class also. So here 2 is a factor of 4. That's why LCM is 2 is a factor of 4. So LCM is equal to 4. Okay, now how many times 2 goes in 4? 2 times. 15 into 2 minus how many times 4 goes? 1 time, that is 13 into 1. 30 minus 13 by 4. So that is 17 by 4, that is 4 1 by 4. That is the answer. 7 1 by 2 minus 3 1 by 4 is equal to 4 1 by 4. And the last problem, 10th problem, 92 into 25. 92 into 25. Already you did 3rd and 4th class mental maths when you are coming to the multiply with the 25 to write the 25 as 100 by 4. The 25 as 100. Why you are writing here 100 by 4? For 25 makes 100. You have to do 4 2s are 8, 4 3s 12. That is 2300. So today's class completed done. Okay, bye children.